There was a marketing and advertisement company which ran its marketing campaigns via different social media platforms like Facebook, TikTok, different search engines like Google, Bing, and they were also using email advertisement and TV advertisement. They were facing many challenges like revenue uncertainty, soaring marketing costs, campaign ineffectiveness, budget misallocation, poor performance tracking, and disconnected data insights. All of these challenges were solved by this marketing campaign analysis dashboard. So let's jump right into it. At the top right, we have the selection year 2016, region Northeast, quarter is quarter first. All of this data is dummy. So if we see this 13 million, we can say that okay, in 2016 quarter one had 13 million of revenue compared to last year's quarter 12 million, and then it shows a total growth of 7%. After that, if we go through the cost, there was $3 million cost in quarter one compared to last year's quarter one cost, that is 8 million, and overall reduction in the cost is 66.6%. Total items which were sold are 5,418 for quarter one in Northeast region. Over here we can compare with the last year and rate 3.6% increase. At the center left, we have a timeline analysis, how our sales is ranging on the basis of the selection which we make. So in quarter one, we can see our sales and the forecast. Whatever selection we make, the dashboard would react on the basis of that. For example, if I want to see region South's sale over the period of time for quarter two, I can see it over here and the forecast how it would trend further. So for example, if I want to see for 2024, I can have the first quarter's data and can analyze the forecast for second quarter as well. So for example, if I want to see that which strategy I was using which campaign. So for new customers, I was using Facebook ads, video campaigns, video 1 and video 2. For let's say cross-selling, I was using TikTok, and for upselling, I was using Google, etc. Over here, I can see the marketing cost by campaigns. Whatever campaigns I had this running, over here I can see the cost and see the percentage which is making this cost up. I can see the data, how it is connected with different type of strategies. So for Facebook ads video, I was using the strategy for new customers and discounting, etc. I can even compare the entire year with the last year for each region, and I can go backwards in time or the future. I can see how it is trending over the period of time, etc. So with this dashboard, you can gain visibility in your marketing costs by strategy, campaigns, sales by campaigns, and how much items you are selling for each quarter in each region, etc.